All right, we're bringing up the AeroTune Sentinel 7 for its first controlled test flight. This run is purely for validation. We're not pushing performance yet. The goal here is simple. Confirm stability. Check system response and make sure nothing overheats under load. Drone armed. Initial throttle input looks stable. Drone is in the air, holding a steady hover, making small roll and pitch inputs to verify tracking. Everything is working properly. We're watching motor behavior, throttle response, and overall control feel. Everything at this stage is about proving the system is working as intended. This is self-leveling mode, just keeping things safe and predictable for this initial test. We're not doing anything aggressive yet, just confirming the quad tracks cleanly and responds as expected. Now we're moving into some simple forward flight and gentle turns. Smooth forward movement, turning back around. Everything looks stable. Control response is consistent. No unusual behavior so far. That's exactly what we want to see on a first pass. Controlled, simple, and reliable. We're going to come in from the test flight now, nice and slow, as steady as we can. Touchdown. Successful. The AeroTune Sentinel 7 has completed elevation flight. The goal was simple. Confirm stable lift, basic control response, and make sure the system behaved safely under load. From here, we can begin collecting better flight data and using AeroTune to refine the tune with real evidence.